the role of current affairs that you read for your GS and all, how that can be incorporated in sociology answer that we will see in this question. So this is a question on land reforms attempted by rank 2 Animesh Pradhan. He was a part of our sociology mains program. Let's take a look at the question. Critically examine the impact of land reforms on the agrarian structure of India. Okay. Again, if you have read it, it is a very straightforward question, but the out of the box dimensions like incorporating current events becomes all the way more important in such questions. So you have to critically examine, not just describe or elucidate the impact of land reforms on the agrarian structure of India. Okay. So the impact of land reforms could be multifaceted, multidimensional, right? But you have to emphasize the agrarian structure. Okay. So the answer begins by talking about the land reforms had a deep impact on sociological front regarding the agrarian structure. Maybe you can also mention the rationale behind implementing these land reforms. Why was this implemented? What was the problem earlier? And then you can assess the impact on agrarian structure. Fine. But before highlighting these parts, so it is important that you mention what were the elements of land reforms. Abolition of jamindari, land ceiling, etc. You can mention it. So the this answer is divided into two parts: the positive impact and the negative impact. So the positive impact, they are mentioned, and for each impact there is a committee recommendation, report, or thinker applicable, that is mentioned there. Cooperative farming, political consolidation, Rudolph, social and political mobility, MSA Rao, Joya Hassan, regional disparities. So, one of the reasons of the emergence of dominant caste was the access to land, right? And this land reform played a crucial part in that. So you see how one syllabus topic can be interlinked to a different syllabus topic under the broad umbrella of sociology. Regional disparities, so were reduced. Okay, but there can be an other dimension also, like these land reforms, wherever they were successful, then green revolution was implemented, and the areas in which it was not implemented, they were left relatively backward. Okay, now the negative parts: class polarization, breakdown of joint families, migration issues, apathy of landless laborers. So since it talks about agrarian structure, so you can talk about the farmers, peasants also. Okay, and landless laborers, this is a very good point. And then this answer concludes by mentioning that land reforms, though its intention was right, it fell short of effective implementation. um in this part, one extra value addition aspect could be the contemporary state or way forward, where you talk about corporate ownership of land, where you talk about land reforms in plantation sector also. So these are extremely important aspects. This was in news recently. Okay, so you can download this PDF from the link given below in this description, And in this PDF you will find the links to our courses, how to get in touch with us. You can find the links to the answers of Medha Anand, who got 310 in sociology, which is among the highest this year. Okay, see you in the next video. All the best.